Good morning. Our names are Diego Armando Rodriguez Angeles. I, Mónica Vázquez Ramírez. We are a student of the industrial energy. This is our three-partial project. Good morning, Energy Diego Armando Rodriguez Angeles. How are you?
Very well.
Let's start. Why is interview? They me alike about you. What is your biggest flaw?
My biggest flaw is time something and really very life in it comes to entering very early. I am considering myself lazy, but responsible and hardworking.
What aspects do you not like about a box?
Things I don't like about a boss is when my he makes me do a hub and think with what's another on and think something.
What are your three great virtues?
They are loyalty, planets, creativity.
I have seen what you have checked you several times. It the last years. What has been the reaction?
For personal problems and need changes in my life.
In the context of industrial energy, what skills have you developed?
Planning and time management, adaptability and quick learning.
What is the area of the organization in which you fit most quick feel and to perform the role of industrial energy?
In the area where I feel qualified in for quality, supervision and also for quality.
What change do you look for this position and acts in industrial energy?
I like for new changes of the ordinary where I can with my best potential.
What methodology would you apply to solve problems or generate improvements in the organization?
The methodology that will be used will be to analyze, observe, propose, options, carry on, and verify.
What office automate tools do you come and apply in the development of industrial energy activities?
In Canyon and Kings and tools, time areas, and industrial engineering, since it is all barrage, and industrial engineers with moods, Q and queens of tools. Being life tends to be ready for every neighborhood and team industry.
Final energy, Diego Armando. Do you consider yourself a creative person?
Of course, since it is quantity and think or done something based on what is presented.
Tip and up your interview is also an opportunity to return with the position with your skill. I is good what's giving your accent and candidate. Thank you, Energy Diego Armando, for having attended this job interview. We will send you a mail and kind your the somewhere to come with us. Thank you.
Good morning, Angelina Mónica Vázquez Ramírez. Good are you?
Very well.
Let's start with things intervene. Do you think time is and we labor field for the industrial engineering?
It's on and up on the areas with labor demand in Mexico. It acts as the correct term for many years where the most value should administration.
What is the field where the engineer Patrick in his profession.
Industrial energy, iron from and textile manufacturing, auto parts, companies, aero parts, metalworking, more others.
Where do you currently work?
En grupo Pexin in iron production planning.
What are the functions in test performs?
The function are the correct perform evaluation process and their competition access areas in action to production and sales.
From your perspective, do you think the importance of this current will increase in the future?
Important is having the ability to design operate and clear production process so they can do like it without everything.
How much time do you dedicate to your profession?
I dedicated after time to my personal profession growth.
What is the current salary you receive?
The salary raise is 16,000 per annum.
Do you think that the environment in Tijuana is favorable to practice this career?
Yes, it's a working environment to practice in correct genre.
What skills were necessary for you to develop the most perform your hobby?
Squid flexibility and adaptation, motivation and trust. I not losing active values.
Good luck have and you be a professional.
I've been living my profession for 3 years.
Thank you, Angel Monica, for have attained this hub interview. With which say you're accepting. Be Gmail and good by engineering.
Thank you.